Drop that right. Oh, that was classic. His neck doesn't always respond that well. Drop your lip. That's a little bit more like his neck. Adjust and kind of resist. Come on, man. You're making me look bad. Drop your shoulders. There we go. Bend your knees, heels to your butt. Drop your shoulders. Drop them back down. Thank you.
I dropped the leg back. That's probably what you meant, yeah.
I just meant drop your guard.
Like I dropped my shoulders on
Yeah, with you, it's really just a matter of tricking you long enough to
Yeah.
get. Slide down just a little bit.
Okay.